channel Fashion Vlogs by Arpita. So as you can see in my tagline, आज मैं कर रही हूँ हिना खान inspired makeup look. So let me tell you one thing. This is a disclaimer that I am just going to like recreate this makeup look and this hairstyle, not anything else, because I don't have that dress obviously. So don't comment such things that your dress is not matching at all. So yes, I hope you guys will like it because वो makeup look जब मैंने पहली बार देखी थी तब आई जस्ट थॉट कि येस ये लुक मैं क्रिएट करूँगी बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ही स्टनिंग लगा था, सिंपल येट ब्यूटीफुल. सो आई रियली वांटेड टू क्रिएट दिस लुक. लाइक आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू रिक्रिएट दिस मेकअप लुक. डू लेट मी नो इन माई कमेंट सेक्शन you liked it or not, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is completely free, and press that bell icon so that you will never miss out my any updates. So let's get started with my today's video.